Every single year at this time, I always watch Christmas 24 movies and see them talking about baking sugar cookies and decorating them. For some reason, I decided that it would be a good idea for me to try this myself. So I went to the shop and bought all the ingredients and icing and things to decorate the biscuits with. Now, I've never baked a biscuit in my life, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. At first, everything seemed to be going well. Until I put them in the oven to bake them, and they came out all melted together and it was a total disaster. After almost 15 minutes it was still basically dough, so I decided to mix it all back together, cut it back into shapes and cook it for another 10 minutes. The next day I invited my niece over to help me decorate the biscuits. Thinking back on it now, I probably should have watched some sort of YouTube tutorial on how to cook the biscuits and how to decorate them. And even though the first attempt at baking the biscuits was a total disaster, I think that some of them turned out okay in the end. The decorating was the part I was looking forward to most, and I think next year I'll just buy ready-made biscuits and decorate them myself. Either that or I'll bake some sort of Christmas cake, because I seem to be a lot better at baking cakes than biscuits. Let me know in the comments section if you've ever baked a Christmas biscuit and what kind do you bake. As you can see, I think some of them actually turned out okay, and they did taste nice in the end. The very important lesson that I learned from this is that just because something looks easy on Christmas 24 doesn't mean it's easy in real life. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!